guys, welcome to another Unacademy vlog. Last week we had the Unacademy Open Hack, which was a week-long hackathon where we invited students from top engineering colleges across India to work on projects across scaling, performance and machine learning. There were some really exciting projects and presentations, so let's get right into it.
So I've been working with the machine learning, the data science division here, with the data science team. So we have worked on a few machine learning problems for ensuring the quality of live videos of Unacademy.
So I'm Nikhil Pandey from Delhi Technological University, and I'm here at Open Hack to explore on the products of Unacademy.
I have attended hackathons in the last 2 years, a lot of hackathons, and it's been one of the best hackathons that I have attended now. The projects were really good. I have seen people from different colleges. There are outstanding people coming here, building some good stuff.
So experience here has been pretty awesome. So from getting good food every day to learning a lot, and the mentors actually have been very supportive, I must say.
So usually in the hackathons, people go and hack for 24 hours and come back with a product that might not be launched altogether, but here we are given a week's exposure into the production level code, and so it is really a nice learning experience.
So I had a great learning experience. I got to work with the engineers which are working here, so that was a very new concept. Usually in hackathons you go and you build a product on your own, but this was a very new concept when you get to interact with the employees and get to build the product with them. So I had an amazing experience. I got to learn many things. I didn't work on React earlier, and I learned it in a day and started implementing features.
Open Hack is an initiative by us where we give chance to the people from colleges to experience what are the actual challenges that we face in our real world.
My name is Vaibhav. Our team was basically working on artificial intelligence related projects to figure out how well can we monitor live classes for Unacademy.
So it's not like it will be a file that will be just kept as this, but the code will go into production, will actually affect the millions of users for it.
So we really wanted to increase our engagement with engineers from across the country. We were finding that tricky to scale in terms of traveling all over the place. So what we did was we came up with this idea of getting people here, enabling them to really sit with the engineering team, see how things work here, and get to pick some real problems that the teams are focusing on, and actually build solutions for them. So we recruited from 27 campuses around the country, 500 plus applicants. We've selected 11 students who are going to present to you guys later tonight.
Let's get started then. So the first hacker is going to present is Anjali.
Unacademy Open Hack has been an amazing experience for us. We contacted top engineering colleges of the country, got 500 plus registrations, and conducted an online test. Post that, best 11 students served 1 week with us and worked on live problems we are facing in our product. They gave the presentations last week Friday. We were so impressed by the work done by these students that we were able to offer 5 of them as full-time employees in the company. We had an amazing experience. Look forward to hosting all the students again in Open Hack 2 next year. Keep watching this space for more insights.